Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by s. So we have y over s, y over s. This is the reason number 1, and that is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over ds multiplied by s. This one we have number 1, so we have v in here, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we change by this one, y we change by vs. So this one we have v, this one we have v. V and v we simplify. So this one I will put on the left, the s and s I will put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. This one, if we want to put this one on numerator, we need to put the negative sign in here. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative v. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. And we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.